quick tips, we are going to talk about how belly dance can help and assist us get really tight, firm butt cheeks, which I think most people want, right? I haven't met anybody who wants a saggy bum. So anyway, we are going to clench and squeeze our butt cheeks. So this is an exercise we use when we're belly dancing. We use our butt cheeks a lot. They're called your glutes, maximus, medius, minimus. I always think of it as daddy bear, mommy bear, baby bear. Doesn't really look like that, but let's just pretend this is the area that it is. So we want to clench our butt cheeks really, really hard, okay? That is isolating the butt cheeks and squeezing them at will by yourself using your brain, right? So we're here. I imagine, it's not very pretty, but imagine you're on a walnut, and I use this analogy all the time because it works. People always understand me when I say it. Between your butt cheeks, you're going to crack open the walnut really hard. Okay, so clench both butt cheeks, release. Clench, release. Clench. I'm not sure if you can really see anything through these black leggings, but I am squeezing and releasing my butt cheeks like this. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, so now my second tip is an exercise that I do on the floor. I actually have loads of exercises, but I'm just going to give you two. I don't go to the gym at all. I probably shouldn't say that. I don't go to the gym. I only dance, and I only do these exercises as part of our drills and technique as belly dancers in my classes, but also it's very, very good for your backside. So I'm going to come and sit in what I call stag position. I have one leg in front, one leg behind. And what's going to happen is I'm going to sit nice and tall, and I'm going to squeeze my right, this is my right butt cheek, my right bum cheek as hard as I can. Really, really clench it, power it up, squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Make sure you remember to release. 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. We do the other side. So switch the legs. Sit as tall as you can. You're going to squeeze your butt cheek only. So you're only clenching. And the more you do this, the stronger it gets. And you will feel it everywhere. You will notice. You will notice a significant change in your butt cheeks if you do these sort of exercises regularly. Yeah. So there we go. So that is my quick tips on using belly dance to get a firmer, tighter butt. Beach butt. So check out my website, it's melissabellydance.com. All of my classes are available here in person with me in Studio 339 by Warren Street. Otherwise, all of the classes are also available online, so you can dance with me from anywhere in the world, anywhere you like. Every class is available. We learn new movements each week, and then we go over old ones, we drill them, we put them together. We have loads and loads of fun together, so come and see me and I will look after you. Belly dance, there's fusions, there's samba, there's Latin, there's Tahitian, there's yoga, there's Pilatissimo, there's drum solo, tribal from the trap, which is tribal fusion, my style. Loads, loads and loads and loads. Check it out, melissabellydance.com. And I'll see you soon. Thank you, bye bye.